Hey guys, so happy Vlogmas. It is day 16 and it is the Dolan twins' birthday. Happy birthday, Ethan and Grayson. We didn't really do a very good job of keeping you guys up to date last night, but that's because Xavier and Ricardo are not very good at vlogging, and I was driving, and I didn't have my car mount in there with me, so every single time I wear a black hoodie, I feel like I'm a part of the A-team from Pretty Little Liars. I read a description of the Jingle Bell Rock, but in case you guys just wanted kind of like a lowdown, really quick Spark Notes kind of version, the Jingle Bell Rock is a tradition here in my hometown. They decorate a fancy rock and they hide it, and if you find it sometime in the holiday season, you win thousands of dollars. So we're probably gonna head out in another couple of days and try again, because we did not have any luck. We barely got the clues, and yeah, it was not a very successful night. I'll keep you guys up to date throughout the day. So we are making gingerbread house today. We got this at Target, and this should be interesting. And I also got these extra holiday treat toppers at Big Lots just because they're so cute. There's like little mistletoe and pearls, little lights and snowflakes. So we'll see what we can create.
Eventually.
Hey you guys, it is Vlogmas day 17, and I just got my Jeffree Star package that I've been waiting for in the mail. I'm so excited. Let's go open it together. So I'm currently filming on my iPhone because my camera unfortunately has no storage left. I'm currently editing, uploading, condensing, everything like that. So let's just go and unbox the Jeffree Star package. The tape is so cute, Jeffree. I love how everything is secure, and you know, like, he takes really good care of it. Yeah. No, and there's like, this is so satisfying. Popping bubble wrap is so nice. And there it is.
Oh, that's pretty. Does that brush? That sounds good.
Hey guys, so it is Vlogmas day 20. I literally just washed my face and ate breakfast, and I'm going to be putting on my makeup, so the next time you see me, I will have a full face on and I won't look as terrifying. Hey guys, so I just finished doing my makeup, and I thought I would give you a rundown of the game plan today. So we are going over to Walmart to get the last stocking stuffer for my brother. It is an accessory for his phone, and today also so happens to be the Secret Santa gift exchange at work. Oh my gosh, my eyes just don't look right. Okay, so hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 21. We are headed over to my aunt's house to make some tamales. Last night we went to see Aquaman. It was Thursday, the premiere night, so it was really good. I didn't expect to like it as much as I did, but you know, I'm warming up to the idea of Jason Momoa? Yeah, Jason Momoa. He's a very good looking guy, I have to admit, so I understand why everyone loves him. So I will see you guys after we make the tamales. And yesterday was also the Secret Santa at work, and I will show you guys what I got for my Secret Santa later. Hey guys, so I am back from my aunt's house. We made plenty of tamales, but my mom is still there. I have to go to work, so I'm gonna just get changed and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have some pizza that my brother ordered for himself, so I just snagged a piece. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it's after work, and even though I wanted to do some editing tonight and an upload for you guys, my cousin and brother have called me yet again to search for the Jingle Bell Rock, so that's where we're headed right now.
It's a big rock. Okay. Should I just hold my phone all the way down there? No. Land on me, please, okay?
Hey guys, so I just wanted to hop on here and tell you that we are back at home. We survived our little outing, and I'm going to be editing right now, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning for our little adventure slash road trip. Hey you guys, so it is Vlogmas day 22, I think, but I am up. It is currently about 8:15 in the morning. My makeup is almost done. I just need to put on some Skin Frost in Peach Goddess, and I will be all ready.
Oh, look at, they have a candy cane moment.
It's so pretty, the mountains. I wasn't recording.
Me.
Like I wasn't recording. We need to redo that. I'm gonna like catch you mid-bite, but no. And here's Jordan, my cousin. So pretty. Hey guys, so we are back from our very long trip. Yes, I was the one who's driving. It was a 2-hour drive, so I'm a little tired, but I come home to find my official S Club merch from Sylvia, and it looks so cute. Here's a hoodie, and I love the red roses going down the side of the sleeve, and I cannot wait to wear that on Christmas morning. We also stopped, as you saw, and we got some Dutch Brothers. And yeah, we are home, all safe and sound, and I will catch up with you guys a little later.